Hello, you're welcome to this video. I want to quickly show us how you can use your mobile phone to create your YouTube channel. It's very simple. You ensure you are logged in. If you get a new phone, you log in, you create your YouTube. You create your email, your Gmail on that particular device. And the second thing is you log in to your Google Play, you log into your uh, YouTube with that particular account. So let's see. Once you're on YouTube, you discover it will appear like this because you don't have a channel yet, and it will be difficult to watch videos when you don't have a channel. You understand? So you see this icon here, the bottom right corner. You click there. You can see it's going to show. You can see the name of that Google account or Gmail account. You see under is saying create channel. So as simple as that, you simply click on that. It's going to take you here, and then you're going to be asked to, you can enter your profile picture here. Click here or enter your profile picture. You want to create a channel with a different name from your Google account name. You can click here and edit this to the particular name you want. Maybe this. Then you take on save. Takes you back here. And then you can also edit the handle. That is the way you want the name to appear under your channel. You can edit this as well, but I'm okay with this. And then you can see here create channel. So you simply click on create channel. As simple as that. Channel created, as you can see below. So this channel has been created. You click back here, you're gonna see, you can see that handle is showing. You can see view channel. So this create channel has been created, so you can see now create content on any device. So you can start creating content from here. So simple as that. All right, that is it. You can start subscribing to other people's channels. You can view uh, shorts, and you can search. Videos. See Cameroon music. You can see different Cameroon music. It's first Cameroon gospel music. You can see so Cameroon gospel music. It's a Cameroon gospel music. You can see as simple as that, and you can start watching your Cameroon gospel music or any other thing that you want to watch on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and God bless you, and see you in our next videos. Shalom. And do help us to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Shalom. See you.